just about every nominee gets 60 votes because in the past, presidents have actually consulted the other side before picking someone.
This is about confirming a nominee who will guarantee 40 more years of 5-4 decisions favoring corporations over workers and consumers, of favoring big dark money in our election, and of giving states a permission slip to target certain people, quote, with almost surgical precision in order to make it as difficult as possible for them to vote.
We don't need another Supreme Court justice who will help out giant corporations. We need a Supreme Court justice who will uphold equal justice for all, and that's what we're here to